In real estate industry, an addendum usually refers to some supplemental details added, modified or nullified from the original contract. This is one of the common ways to update the terms or conditions. The area of an addendum can cover is very wide, from a simple task like the modification of the inspection dates, to some complex ones such as property condition disclosures. Sometimes, the real estate agents will recommend an amendment instead of an addendum. The main difference between an amendment and addendum is that, if the original contract has been officially accepted and signed, addendum is usually used as a part of the original contract. If the original contract has already been accepted and signed, it will be called amendment. To make them legally valid, the new terms and agreements for addendum and amendment must be agreed and signed by both parties or their appointed agents. As a part of the contract, the addendum must be signed along with the original contract. An amendment can be signed after the original contract is signed. Some good examples of addendum include inspections addendum, property conditions disclosures addendum, or mandatory disclosure addendum. Any modifications of property inspections, from the extension of delivery of the inspection report, to any changes in details for the inspection, can be added to the addendum. A commonly used one is an inspection contingency addendum, which can be used by the property buyers or contractors to exit the purchase agreement, if some serious defects are found during the property inspection. In case of any objections found, some negotiations will be done between buyers and sellers, or the buyers will get fully refunded. Property buyers can also take advantage of property condition disclosure addendum to ask sellers for the conditions of the property, or any existing defects in appliances or equipment. For sellers, some basket clauses can be inserted into the addendum to neglect some minor defects. For instance, sellers may set up a maximum repair amount for those defects found during inspections. Any repair cost less this amount will not result in a cancellation of the original contract. By law, sellers must provide the mandatory disclosure documents before selling a property. This is mainly involved in some specific hazards or problems, which may potentially affect the property in the long term. Some examples include lead, asbestos, toxic chemicals, faulty equipment, or other natural hazards, such as flood and bushfire. Mandatory disclosure addendum is commonly used to provide the missing information from the original contract. If the original contract has been agreed and signed by both parties, an amendment instead of an addendum will be used to modify the original one. In short, the addendum means adding to the original contract. Anything added to it will be part of the contract. Amendment means amending the already agreed contract. Anything added to it will not belong to the original contract. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe button for more interesting topics.